Hi guys, Angel here from West Kendall. I just got my underbody kit on my RC 2024 done. Love it. You can see it. The fit is perfect. Color is great. Quality second to none. Okay, as you can see, I bought the full kit. I have the front with the side skirts and the back. And it looks great. It's all seamless. I mean, it looks like better than factory. I found out about NIA through a forum at Lexus. I went into the web page, and the one thing that impressed me the most is the time that they spend on the detail. They show you where the openings are, how they use the bolts from the car to attach all the skirts as well as the spoiler, and you don't find that anywhere else. This is not a job that you put double tape and move on. I decided to buy from them because I really like what I saw in the web page, and I was right. Very few people give you the detail. I actually came and visited them before I bought the whole thing. They showed me the parts, and I was convinced that it was the right place.